Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can develop a Flutter app using Android Studio. So right here is the sample of calculator app. You can do simple plus minus division and multiplication using this app. Press 7 plus 3 will be equal to 10, multiply by 10 will be equal to 100. So you can see app is running smoothly. So let's begin today's tutorial. Go to file, go to new, click on new Flutter project. So right here is Flutter SDK path. You can find your Flutter SDK path by going to C disk, then click on your Flutter folder, and right here is the path of Flutter SDK. Simply copy this path and you have to paste it right here. After pasting it, click on next, and right here you have to write the name of your app. I will write calculator. After writing name, I will select Android language as Java and then click on create. So Android Studio is creating Flutter project and it is asking you want to open your new project right here or you want a new window. So I will click on new window. So new window for Flutter calculator app is ready. After this I'm going to generate code from ChatGPT. Open any browser and then search ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, you have to search code for Flutter calculator app and then search. So ChatGPT is generating code for Flutter calculator app, and ChatGPT is also providing step-by-step guide how you can make this app. This code creates a simple calculator app with the basic user interface, the button pressed, function responsible for handling button nodes, presses, and the main logic for performance calculation, which are plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So I will simply copy this code, then open Android Studio, and then you have to click on this lib folder and then enter main.file. So right here is main.file. I will press Ctrl A to select all, then press Ctrl V to paste the ChatGPT code. After pasting this code, you can see that ChatGPT has also provided code for calculator app buttons. Here are yellow, gray, green, and red buttons will appear on our calculator app. After this, I will simply select the Flutter device. I will select this Pixel 3a API 34 extension level. Then open the virtual device and I will click on run to run the calculator app. So it will take some time to show you the preview of calculator app. Right here will appear a bar showing that your task is running in the background. Let it complete and then we will return. So Android Studio is running our app. It will take some time to show you the final preview of app. So virtual device is showing our app. Simply press 7, then I will add 9 to it. Click on equal to see the result. So you can see 16 is the answer. Now let's multiply 16 to 9 and press equal to see the result. So it is showing 144 is the answer. So our app is running smoothly. In this way, you can develop a Flutter calculator app using ChatGPT code, or you can download code from our GitHub account. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.